Hey folks, I purchased the Blackvue DR750S 2-channel dash cam and I installed it in my 2018 Prius Prime. Okay, so I was able to use some YouTube videos in addition to the provided installation directions and all went well. But when I got my Tesla Model 3 just a few months ago, installing the PowerMagic Pro was a bit more challenging for me due to the nature of the vehicle and fuse locations. Now some of you may not have any issues at all, so I opted for the PowerMagic Ultra battery, and I only got one. Now this is not an installation video. I just want to show you where I placed the battery. I simply used some heavy-duty Velcro. I attached it to the underside of the battery and attached it to the carpeting on the passenger side. I hid the wires fairly well. So, as for the rest of the wires, you just have to be a bit creative in hiding them. The wire for the back cam is more difficult to hide because of the window, but if you keep the wire taut, I don't think it looks that bad. So, I'd love to hear your comments, and if you need a referral code, please use mine, and thanks for watching.